Hey everybody, Steve here. Welcome to Yoga Basics, Learn a Yoga Pose. So when I first started yoga, walking into a yoga class, I didn't know a down dog from child's pose and everything in between. So when a yoga instructor would call something out, I would kind of peek my head up, look to see what everybody else was doing, and then kind of hope I got it right. So what I thought I'd do is I'd start a series where I would literally just do a pose once or twice, maybe 3 times a week. Set it up as a series so you, as coming new to yoga, would just understand the basic terminology of what the yoga pose is. So as an example, what is downward facing dog, or what is child's pose? And what does it actually just look like, okay? So these are just the basics. Most of these videos that I'm gonna do here are gonna probably be anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes. I'm gonna keep them really short just so you can see what the pose looks like. And then what I'll do in another series is do a pose breakdown. We'll spend anywhere from say 5 to 15, maybe even 20 minutes, depending on what the pose is. We'll do a full breakdown of the pose itself, what all the integrations are. So as far as what is our body supposed to be doing, all of the movement, so making adjustments in it, and then modifications if you need to make modifications too. So from an accessibility standpoint, if you just don't have the mobility to be able to move a certain way, what I'm going to try and do is give you an option so that way you can get into the pose and still be able to practice in a class without any issues. All right, so stand by. We're going to do our first one this week. We'll start off with the easiest one, Shavasana. All right, so stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Thanks.